Okay, challenge question on chapter 14, the last of book 1. So, given that y equals 9x, show that the log to the base 3 y equals 2x. So, if we take that and we can say that take that to log base 3. Ultimately, we know that log 3 is, it means that we've got y is equal to 3 to the power of 2x, and we can take the 3 and the 2 on there, and we can say y is equal to 9x. Okay, I think that's sufficient. Okay, part B then. Hence deduce that log 3y, which is 2x. I've written my x up there like that on that one, no idea. Makes no difference. Log 3y anyway is equal to the log of 9y squared. Okay, so what can we do with that? So we know that 9 to the power of something, y squared. Y squared we know, or y we know, is 9x. Okay, and we know that log 3y is 2x. So we know this side here is 2x is equal to the log of the base 9 of y squared. Now y squared would be 9x squared, and that's saying 9 to the power of something is equal to 9 2x. Is that correct? Y to the power. So we're saying that the 9x is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. So we're saying 9 to the power of the 2x is equal to 9x squared, which it is. 9 2x, 9 2x shows that they're both the same thing, because working it backwards, whatever 9 to the power of what it's equal to is equal to what you're taking the log of. Okay? Use your answer to part B. To solve the equation, log to the base 3, 2 minus 3x equals log 9 6x squared minus 19x plus 2. Tricky. What is the factors of that quadratic, I wonder? So let's have a little look at what that is. Using polynomial solver just to pull them up. 6 minus 19 and 2. Nothing nice. That's for sure. 6 minus 19 and 2. Yep, definitely nothing nice in that. Okay, that was one thought. So if that's y, that's equal to that squared. 2 minus 3x. So we're saying log 3 y is equal to y squared is what they are suggesting to us. Use your answer to part B to solve the equation. So are they saying that they want us to pretend like y is equal to 2 minus 3x and y squared is equal to 6x squared minus 19x plus 2? And I don't think they really want us to do, if we were to square this side, we would be in the realms of 4 minus 6, 12x plus 9x squared. If we were to square that, we could then say that's equal to that. I don't think this is right, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. Okay. Doesn't feel right, but we'll see. Bring it all together, make it all nice. Let's bring it onto this side. So we end up with 3x squared, the 12, 19, 5, 7, 7, 8, 9, plus 7, 7x. 4 minus 12 should give us minus 8. And into my favourite part on the calculator, the polynomial solver. Okay, 3, 7 minus 8. I don't like that at all. X equals minus 7 plus root 145 over 6, and also the negative of it, minus 7 minus root 145 over 6. Clearly not right, clearly not any good. Okay, let's try that again and see what happens. So, I think what we want to do here is we want to see about these bases and see if we can change the bases of things. Yeah. There was a trick that you could use that if you wanted to do the ln of 2 minus 3x, you would just have to divide it by the ln of 3. And if we do that, we can say that the ln of 6x squared minus 19x plus 2 is divided by the ln of 9. So that just is a way of changing the base. So I've changed it all to the base e in this case. So with that in mind, we can now multiply across. I don't know if I like this, but I tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and I am going to say that it is 2 ln 3, which means now I'm going to multiply across by everything of ln 3 to give me ln 2 minus 3x is equal to a half ln 6x squared minus 19x plus 2. And so we've arrived back at the same point. Here I am worrying about it all, and it was correct all along, because I made a mistake. I called that a 12, didn't I? So as this comes across, you end up with 2 ln 2 minus 3x, which equals ln of all of this log still. Okay. That's going to get squared because of the 2 here. Take it all to the power e. So we now need to do 2 minus 3x, and we need to square all of that. And that is 4 minus 12x plus 9x squared is equal to the 6x squared minus 19x plus 2. Somehow or another I made that into a 12. I don't know how, but I did. So when the 9x and the 6x come together, we get 3x squared. When we bring the minus 19 over, we are left with a plus 7x. And when we bring the 2 over, we are left with a plus 2, all equaling 0. That solves 2x equals minus a third and x equals minus 2, which thankfully is what matches up with the back of the book and gives us the final answer. Okay, not sure how I made that mistake, obviously just missed the wrong thing. Anyway, that's the end of book 1.